the International Court of Justice has resolved a 29-year territorial dispute between Malaysia and Singapore, with 64.6 square kilometers of maritime territory at stake. The court awarded the Middle Rocks to Malaysia, which encompasses approximately 0.006 square kilometers of land area, while Pedra Branca, comprising about 0.008 square kilometers, was awarded to Singapore. This dispute, which began in 1989, has significant implications for the two countries' economic and strategic interests, with an estimated $14.5 billion in annual trade passing through the Singapore Strait. From a data analysis perspective, the court's decision is based on a thorough examination of historical records, mapping data, and diplomatic correspondence. The court reviewed 417 documents, including 130 maps, 147 historical records, and 140 diplomatic correspondence, to determine the sovereignty of the disputed territories. The decision ultimately hinged on the principle of territorial acquisition through discovery and effective occupation, with the court finding that Singapore had demonstrated a consistent and continuous presence on Pedra Branca since the 19th century. In contrast, Malaysia's claim to the Middle Rocks was upheld due to the absence of any evidence demonstrating Singapore's effective occupation of the territory. Experts in international law argue that the court's decision sets an important precedent for the resolution of similar territorial disputes worldwide. According to Dr. Robert Beckman, a specialist in international maritime law, the decision highlights the importance of careful documentation and record-keeping in establishing territorial claims. The court's ruling also underscores the need for states to clearly define their territorial boundaries and to establish effective occupation of disputed territories. With 38% of the world's maritime boundaries still unresolved, the implications of this decision are far-reaching, with potential applications in disputes involving the South China Sea, the Arctic, and other regions. In conclusion, the International Court of Justice's decision in the Malaysia-Singapore territorial dispute has significant implications for the resolution of similar disputes worldwide. With 3.5 million square kilometers of maritime territory still in dispute globally, the need for clear and effective territorial management is more pressing than ever. The court's decision serves as a reminder of the importance of careful documentation, effective occupation, and clear communication in establishing and maintaining territorial claims. As the global community continues to navigate the complexities of territorial disputes, the data-driven approach of the International Court of Justice provides a valuable model for resolving these complex issues. Subscribe to Evtrix for real EV data every week.